So with me, some of the very curious students who are learning English. So I am going to ask basic question that why they are going to learn English language and they are trying to master the language. So first of all, I want to ask the Herar. So Herar, tell me, how the journey of the learning English? Like learning English is easy or not?
I think English learning is very easy
Hmm.
in other subject and I
Hmm.
really enjoy to just take this microphone in hand and just express yourself. I think English is very easy language. Then we have all of guys we learn. So it's very easy language. We each enjoy and learns in this part. So you well said that like you are having some partners whom you are pushing you to speak English and learn English. So rather the turn of Ridwan turn. So Ridwan, express yourself that like in learning English is easy or not?
Uh, learning English is not easy for us because we are beginners to learning English, and actually English speaking not hard.
Maybe in Motihari or maybe in Bihar where
Yes.
English is not being spoken by
Yes.
others. Like everywhere you can hear the Bhojpuri song throughout the
Yes,
night.
sir.
So how
So-
can you improve your English language?
Yeah.
Even though people are not ready to speak Hindi, so expecting over here to speak English, that is tough, but not it is difficult, like near to impossible. When you put the efforts and try to learn the English language through psychological based method, so English would be easy. At my institute, I am doing the same things.
Take it.
You want to speak?
No, sir.
Okay.
So we are going to enter in other departments that's come into the Gandhi Sangrahalaya or the Gandhi Museum. So we have captured the like a open space. So we are going to enter inside the museums. We will see everything, whatever the things are available over here. The fresh air is we are getting fresh air. So okay, there is Gandhiji without hair, so we can to capture that. Take it.
No, yeah.
Focus on that. So we can see clearly Gandhi is behind me, but Gandhi is not alive. Rather, Gandhi in the form of pictures. You know that like we haven't seen any hair on the Gandhi scalp on head. So you can clearly see in the picture Gandhi he has some of the hairs. Like Gandhi hairs had disappeared as the gold disappeared from the Bharat. So I am we are having a very huge respect for the Gandhiji because he fought against the British, and that's why we got the independence 1947, 15 August. That's why we celebrate the Independence Day on the 15 August every year. So Gandhi was a very wise people and even very intelligent. When he went to the England, so after that he started fighting for the poor peoples, African peoples, and again he returned to India and he like fought against the British rules with their contemporary like the Jawaharlal Nehru and Motilal Nehru, other peoples as well. And we got the independence. After that we are living in a free India. Okay. Now we are going to enter in the main part of the Gandhi Museum or you can the Gandhi Sangrahalaya where the antique pieces are like kept over there in order for the like audience, the people who come to visit to see that all the campaigns he has done in the Motihari, like he was put in behind the bars by the Britisher. That is the common part of the MS College. There is a bars or a jail. Gandhi was put inside the jail. So we are going to capture those moments. Come inside. There is no light. Light नहीं है.
No, right.
लीजिए. Visible, but what is it? हाँ. Or maybe he is the Rajkumar Shukla who has invited Mahatma Gandhi to come to the Motihari. That is the great person who invited Mahatma Gandhi to come to the Motihari. After that, Mahatma Gandhi started campaign against the British rule, against the Indigo. Indigo क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में? हाँ, नील सत्य campaign I think. गांधी जी कुर्ता. So I don't think that is the original because the slipper is quite new. That thing like the few people like any people have kept few days back, 5 or 10 days. The slipper is quite new, like made of the leather. So, dresser is torn out, and I think it would be old one, or maybe some people have tried to make it old through their intellect or brain. So, Gandhi, this like a clothes belongs to the Gandhi ji. They are capturing all the things. So Gandhi ji having the goat, and Gandhi ji don't have beard, but his goat has beard. And some of the like a Britisher are there. Or maybe the next to the Gandhi there is Kastuba Gandhi. I am just guessing that Rajendra Prasad is here. What happened? Where are you going? Okay, just capture it. Nothing is special inside. That's it. Sir, done it. No, they stop like that again. Oh my God, how is it possible? So this cycle belongs to the Gandhi ji. Gandhi here written that यह साइकिल कन्हैयालाल भास्कर के साथ बापूधाम मोतिहारी से पोरबंदर तक सड़क मार्ग से हिंदी दर्शाई किलोमीटर की यात्रा शांति सौभाग्य संदेश लेकर तय करती है। अब यह साइकिल गांधी स्मारक गांधी सभा बदन की अमानत है। So this information was having given there. I don't think that like bicycle is too much old. Someone had bought it and placed it in order to like make a souvenir of the Gandhi. It looks new. It looks like that belongs to the staff of the Gandhi Museum. So if there is film, you can give them the vision card. Oh, Nitish Kumar.
Yes.
Our Chacha is here. You can't predict that Nitish Kumar will go with whom at the time of election, because in the night time he with someone, in the day times he go with someone. That's why it is said that the like Nitish Kumar is the enigmatic politician. You cannot predict that with whom he will like form the government. Here is some picture of the Nitish Kumar as well. So I am going to read one by one. Here is written that सत्य ही ईश्वर है, and अगर आत्मा है तो परमात्मा ही है ही. Okay. And स्वार्थ हमेशा हमें चिंताग्रस्त करता है. बापू, some people is making tobacco inside the Gandhi Museum. That's why creating noise. So ahimsa parmo dharma. That means non-violence attitude is the like a religion of everyone. घमंडी के प्रकाश मिल ही नहीं सकता. जो ईश्वर को भूलता है वो अपने आप को भूलता है. That is the right thing. I agree with that. किसी को मेहरबानी मांगना अपनी आजादी बेचना है. लीजिए. So बलिदान नहीं कर सकता. Okay, there are a lot of quotation. We can't read everyone, each and every.
Read this.
शुद्ध प्रेम सबका काम दूर क्या है दूर कर सकता है. बापू आई बेट Saddam, this bed was made at that time in order to have meeting when the Gandhiji landed in Bihar, inviting by the Rajkumar Shukal. So few of the leaders were taking like doing meeting with the help of these tables. There are the other chairs are there, but I don't think that is a new chair, like an old chair. That are the new ones. But this bed, I think it will be the old ones. But it's quite strong in sturdy. You cannot shake it with your hand. It has more weight. So now we have captured all the interior things, whatever the things were present inside the Gandhi Sangrahalaya or Gandhi Museum. So now we are going to outside in order to capture all other parts of the Gandhi Museum. Gandhiji photos when he fought against the British rule. So we have captured all the scenes. Now we are going to capture the garden side. There are some kids running here and there.